Hello everyone, my name is Aryabhata and I am from BCA PPU batch 1. I have created this copy of website. I have created a copy of website of movies4u.tv, which was a project for me and a chance for me to learn about HTML and CSS. There is the source code which I have written. Here is the name of movies4u, and this is the subname of movies4u.tv. And here is the search bar, and here is the navigation bar of link and navigation bar of the website. This is the link of my Telegram, and these are the content, that is picture, media, and title. If we see the CSS code, then it is the CSS code of this website. I have simply taken width of 100 view width and height of 100 view height. And there are many codes written in it. As you can see, there are approximate 180 lines of code for this, 160 lines of code for this website. If you are going to see the result, then this is the result of this code. I have not given any link to the navigation bar, or you can say that link, but I have only given a link to website which is Longwa anyway, which is my favorite that I watched. As you can see, it will redirect to a website which is called lucifer.in. If you go back, I have used a transform property which is used to scale the image, and here can be many movies and templates where we use backend if you use backend in this website. And this is all from my side. Thank you.